Log into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry, it's a breeze to set up your profile and get started. Click on the New Project button and give your masterpiece a catchy title that represents the essence of your content. Now it's time to breathe life into your project. Copy and paste your article, script, or any text you want to convert into speech right into the provided text box. Make your content resonate with your audience by selecting the perfect language and voice. Our extensive library of natural-sounding voices ensures that your message truly stands out. With everything in place, it's time to work some magic. Click on the Generate Speech button and watch as our cutting-edge technology transforms your text into amazing audio. Your audio is ready. Click Export to download the file, or simply copy the code to embed it seamlessly into your article page or blog post. And there you have it. With these 6 easy steps, you can now add a captivating voice to your content and engage your audience like never before. So what are you waiting for? Start your text-to-speech journey with us today and enjoy the endless possibilities.